Hello, everyone. So, as promised, I have come up with my new video about Accops HyWorks review. And basically, today we are going to speak on this Accops, one of the very major, important, and very popular component called HyWorks. I would say it is going to be a spine for the entire stack when we are going into the market and talking about the VDI or the virtualization or application virtualization. This is what we mean. We talk about the major components into the HyWorks is going to be your licensing services, broker services, monitoring services are the key. Whenever we are installing on any of the server, these services will be key important. So we as an architect, we as an admin need to make sure these all services are always up, running, and there is a proper arrangement being made to have a high availability in order to make sure there is a continued business without any impact or without any shortage. So now going forward, let's say first we go through the theory, what exactly in it for us, like a key feature of a COPS HyWorks. So predominantly we are talking about the remote access whenever we are doing the remote of any of the application or into the virtualization environment, any peripheral devices, whether it is going to be operating systems, whether it is going to be your applications. So how secure your particular session is whenever you are establishing the session, right? End user to that app, is it secure enough? That's where a COPS claims that HyWorks provides secure and seamless remote access, corporate resources from any location as long as you have internet connectivity. And then we're talking about the application virtualization, which offers the ability to virtualize applications, enhancing accessibility and simplifying management. And then we'll be talking specifically on the desktop virtualization, which is enabling the secure and efficient virtual desktop infrastructure deployment for increased productivity in terms of easy access, application deployment, and your desktop itself accessibility. When you're talking about the secure remote access, so your user authentication, which is securely authenticating their identity before gaining access to the corporate network. And the same goes with the data encryption, where all data transmitted between the remote devices and the corporate network is encrypted to ensure the security. And then we have MFA, which is multi-factor authentication. Let's say you want to enable the multi-factor authentication while taking your resources or accessing your resources, then we can utilize multiple layers of authentication to verify the identity of remote users, authenticity of that particular user, and then enhancing the security. What happens when you are deploying any of the users on landing page where he has to punch in the username and password? After that, you can have another layer where either you can configure the TOTP or through the email gateway, you can send the tokens or kind of OTP one-time password uh, over the email. So these even RSA tokens also can be configured, or we have a high ID. So it's completely a choice of customers that which layer they wanna opt out, and accordingly you can integrate the same on our highways. So this the complete freedom is with the end users. Whatever way you want to configure in order to secure the access of your application or virtualized VDI, it's entirely up to you. Now, when we are talking about the layer of the application virtualization, HyWorks comes with a feature like efficient resource utilization. Virtualizing the application also allows for optimized resource utilization and streamline the management. Centralized management, obviously, this is going to be your USP, and then enhance accessibility. User can easily access virtualized application from any device, increasing flexibility and productivity. Now, when we are talking particularly on desktop virtualization, nutshell, it is going to be a operating system which is going to be virtualized. And over the network, sessions can be established and you will feel like you are working on your own personalized laptop. What happens here is data is stored centrally, like mapping your jet drive, etc. And the reducing the risk of data loss and enhancing your data security. Right? So as soon as you are going to establish this session, you will be getting the desktop. However, your entire data will be kept on a centralized data store, and you will be having the security on data at rest as well as data in transit, right? The same thing is going with the scalability. Enables seamless scalability to support changing business needs and accommodate growth. And then we have an improved efficiency where the virtual desktop facilitate efficient IT management and provide secure access from any location. What all the security features are going to be, same I would be showing you in our upcoming videos. When we are talking about the collaboration and productivity tools, we have integrated tools like Accops, HyWorks integrate various collaborations and productivity tools promoting seamless teamwork. And then we have a real-time communication, facilitates real communication among team members, enhancing collaborations and productivity. Now, efficient resource sharing, like enabling easy and secure sharing of resources, boosting productivity and team efficiency. Sometimes what happens, let's say I'm working in some issues are there. I'm not able to map my drive, my printer drivers are not reflecting, somehow my sessions are slow, or sometimes I have lost my favorite settings. Like I'm working on the website, I have done the favorite settings, and those websites are not available in my profile. So in order to sort out or in order to fix or doing the further troubleshooting, you may need to have assistance from your team departments or IT departments. What you can do is, as soon as you're going to connect with your admin, he can take a remote of your session and entire screen can be watched and examined by your admin. So these are the features very much available in now. In nutshell, we have enhanced security, we have a productivity boost, we have a scalable solution. This is what a copy bringing on the table in a form of HyWorks. So HyWorks again, here licensing would be remain same for the user-based license, computer-based license, or you are going to have a concurrent licenses. And then again, you have a type of model you need to select whether you're going to opt out the silver support or it is going to be a gold support or it is going to be a digital workspace. Either of you can choose as you are free to choose, and accordingly we can deploy the same in our that's all for this video. Probably I would be taking the next topic in my upcoming videos. Till then, keep watching and subscribing. Thank you so much and have a great day.